So today we're gonna do the third part of the volcanan. So which one? I'm thinking I should do the Furious Fist because I don't think I've done any Furious Fist. So yeah, I'll do Furious Fist. The XY Furious Fist. So let's open this one up. I don't think there's gonna be any EXs or any breaks or any megas, cause since we already got the break the last time, I don't think we're gonna get any. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So first we get a Clauncher, a Minun, a Scraggy, an Eevee, a Pet Rat, a Tool Retriever, a Focus Sash, a Hitmon, a Reverse Hollow Sail Fossil. Oh, we get a Glaceon. And we got an Eevee too. So we got an Eevee and a Glaceon. So that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more content, and we will be posting another video in 3 days. Bye.